Have you ever thought of starting your own garden? Imagine the joy of watching your plants grow, the satisfaction of harvesting your own vegetables, or the delight in the vibrant colors of blooming flowers. But where to start? Fear not, because today we'll guide you through the steps of creating your very own green oasis. First, it's all about location, location, location. Choose a spot that bathes in sunlight for 6 to 8 hours a day. Plants love the sun, and they need it to grow. Also, make sure your chosen spot has good soil drainage to avoid waterlogged roots. Next step, decide on the type of garden you desire. A vegetable garden to grow your own food, a flower garden for a visual feast, or an herb garden to spice up your culinary adventures. The choice depends on your space and personal preference. Then, it's time to prepare the soil. Test it to understand its composition and pH. You might want to add organic matter like compost to improve fertility and structure. Now you're ready to choose your plants. Pick those that thrive in your climate and soil conditions. Also, consider the space available and the mature size of the plants. With the plants chosen, it's time to plan your layout. Sketch a rough plan of your garden. Include the placement of plants, pathways, and any structures like trellises or raised beds. If you're new to gardening, start with easy-to-grow plants. Tomatoes, herbs, and marigolds are all great choices. They're forgiving of mistakes and help you learn the ropes. Invest in quality tools. A shovel, rake, hoe, pruners, and a watering can will be your best friends in this green journey. Watering is crucial. Most plants prefer deep, infrequent watering over shallow, frequent watering. Consider using a drip irrigation system or soaker hoses to conserve water and provide even moisture. Don't forget to mulch your garden. It helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Keep an eye out for pests or diseases. Consider using natural methods like companion planting and introducing beneficial insects before reaching for chemical solutions. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and adapting. Stay curious, observe your plants, and learn from your experiences. Adapt your gardening practices based on what works best in your specific conditions. Finally, enjoy the process. Gardening is not just about the end result. Take time to relax in your garden. Appreciate the beauty of nature, and remember, patience is key. It's okay to make mistakes. They can be valuable learning experiences. So there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your own garden. Go forth and let your green thumb shine.